Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. I can't believe I'm saying that because usually I have a track record of literally filming a video and then disappearing for months on end, but I'm not going to let that happen. Also, I just want to thank every person that watched my last video because I did not expect to get that many views. I was expecting like 5 views because I haven't done a video in so long and I just felt so awkward doing it. But yeah, thank you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see this one and upload it. It is currently Sunday morning on the 4th of December and I'm in my study. Yay! It is literally the best decision I've made, and also I'm not as energized because I literally just woke up and I thought I better start filming my vlog because I have a lot I want to do this morning, which also means I want to have a bath and do a face mask and stuff, and I just want to show you guys my little routine as well. But anyway, back to the snuddy. This is from Primark and it's got mushrooms in and it's green and fluffy and it's the warmest thing ever. So if you want to battle the heating and electricity bills, invest in one of these because it will be the best decision you ever make. And also my tree's looking so pretty, and that is me as a baby. If you get the reference, I love you. For reference, here is it in its full glory, and my Stitch pyjama bottoms. Ignore my socks, but it's just so cozy. You get 2 deep pockets on either side. I show you guys my skincare routine for like the morning / evening, I thought we could pick out a little bath bomb together because I got quite a few that I haven't tried yet, and I'm debating whether to go for some quite uplifting or relaxing because I am going out later for something Christmas themed with friends, which I'm really excited about. It's like a Christmas lights thing at the London Wetland Centre, and I'm just feeling like I need to inject some festivity into my life right now because it's all right working in a retail shop and it's full on Christmas, but outside of work I haven't really done anything super Christmassy, so it's about time. But anyway, we were going off on another tangent. I'm thinking we've got a few in here. I have Marshmallow World, which is American cream scented. I don't know if you guys remember if you were Lushy back in like maybe 2018, 2017, maybe in 2019, but Lush released like some limited Christmas bath bombs and this was one of them, and then they brought it out as a year round. So this is what it looks like here, and then it's quite powdery already because my room is quite cold because we're trying to save money on heating, you guys know. I've got a broken Sakura, that's the bottom bit, for like an uplifting jasmine scent, but I don't know if I want something fast fizzing. And then I got another official Christmas one called Partridge in a Pear Tree. This is So White scented, which is like a fresh apple scent, and it's got a really pretty partridge design on the top of it. I really like that. I don't know if I'll go for that. And then the other ones that I kind of have in here are like random. So I got Gum Gum Fruit from that One Piece collaboration that they did. I still got that, but I don't know if I should use that because that's been in my basket like the longest. I still got Halloween Bubble Bath, so I got a Cyclops, but they're all broken. I'm feeling Christmassy though, so maybe we'll go for Christmassy. Decisions. We'll see. We'll see. Ignore the fan because the fan comes on when I put the light on, but I've decided what I'm gonna use for my bath and I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna use the Revolution strawberry scented, I think it's strawberry scented bubble bath from the e.l.f. Revolution collection. I actually bought this last year, I haven't used it yet, but it smells, I don't know why I'm smelling the bottle top as if I can smell it, but it smells really sweet like strawberry. And my boyfriend would say it smells like cowpole. To be fair, this smells like colourful way more than Snow Fairy does, and he doesn't like Snow Fairy shower gel. So, and then I'm gonna be using the bath bomb from the kitchen box from the other day, and it's just so cute. Look at his little face. I'm gonna run the bath now, and then I'll show you my routine. So I want to show you guys what I've been using in my everyday skincare routine, because it has changed a lot in the past year, and I think it's about time I updated you guys, because I'm sure some of you might be interested in knowing what people use for skincare routines. My skin type is normal to like dry. I sometimes get an oily T-zone occasionally, and I'm prone to blemishes. So this is from a hormonal breakout stress recently, but it's just healing. But I need to sort out this dead mushroom face. So a majority of my skincare routine is actually Boots Botanics. So I'm pretty sure it's Boots' own brand, but it's Botanics, and I have been using different cleansers from them. So I've used the All Bright range, I've used their cannabis seed oil range to help with some random eczema, which is actually what introduced me to the brand. And the one I'm using right now is 81% organic roasted green tea, wheatgrass and kale. It's a superfood gel cleanser, and it's for all skin types, and it is really light. It kind of foams, but it doesn't go really soapy or irritates the eyes, which is what I need in a cleanser. And I just really like it. It's really gentle, gets rid of makeup, and also makes my skin feel quite soft and cleansed. And I should sort out my bath. So there we go. Had to stop running it because it's about to overflow. You're probably wondering, are you still using a bit of Lush? Yes, I am, and I've been using occasionally because it's very exfoliating, like the Good Time Foam cleanser. I like it to give my skin a bit of a boost, because this had popcorn, maize flour, there's polenta in there as well, also cinnamon to brighten the skin tone, and it's one of their fresh cleansers which you mix with water, becomes a bit of paste, and then you just scrub it on your face. And I like to use that as a double cleanse. I'm going to use a mask today that I don't usually use. I found this in my drawer, and it's a Nukes, I think, I don't know how you pronounce it, Paris detoxifying glow mask, and I think it's got charcoal in. You leave it on for 2 minutes, and it's this really dark black liquid. So I'm going to use that after my bath, because you literally only use it for 2 minutes, like I said, and you rinse it off, and I think it would not be good to leave on for like 20 minutes. I try and sort out the bags under my eyes. I'm very self-conscious about them, which is why I changed my previous thumbnail, because I didn't think you could see it as much in the previous thumbnail. Maybe you can, I don't know. But it says the Botanics from Boots again, and it's 3% caffeine eye serum. It's supposed to brighten the eye, make you look more alive and awake. I don't know if it's working because I've been using it on and off. I should use it regularly, but I'm going to use that. And then to finish off, I have been using my favourite gel moisturiser, which is got turmeric and winter bark, so it's very clarifying, it helps with blemishes, and you can tell. Let me show you the box. It's another Boots Botanics. I've nearly finished it because it's genuinely one of my favourite moisturisers I've ever got. It's very light, hence the name gel-like, and it sinks really easy into the skin. My skin just feels really soft. So it smells really fresh as well. Like, I genuinely think this is one of my favourite purchases I've bought from Boots in a while, and it's quite a big pot. I don't know how long it's taken me to use this, but look at that. Anyway, that's basically been my routine, and I'm very excited. I'll next put the bath bomb in, because I'm sure you guys want to see that as well. Bath bomb time! Here we go. Here we go, Zine. Oh, very good. if you guys are interested, this is the book I'm reading right now. I've literally just started it, but it's about a housewife turning into a dog, and if that isn't weird and intriguing, then I don't know what is. So I highly recommend it if you're looking for a different read. I think I'm gonna try and split this morning and tonight into 2 vlogs because I don't want to make it too long. I have this thing about making my vlogs like under 10 minutes or around 10 minutes, but we're gonna sort out our face. We're gonna use the face mask together. I just had a bath and it was so nice. I feel so relaxed. I made the water quite hot as well, but let's pop this on. Look at that. That is gonna be a pretty bloody messy. Ooh. It smells a bit funny, not gonna lie. Like, I hope I'm not damaging my skin anyway. To be fair, I don't even know where you can buy this. I just got it as a gift from my aunt. So, yeah. So while we wait for this to do its thing, I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you guys enjoy this quick little skincare routine inside slash bath slash morning on this lovely snowy Sunday, then let me know. Give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, you know the drill on YouTube, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.